Hey guys, it's your best boy Andy, and today I'll be reading Super Martian Robot Girl Dolphin from Share episode again, but this time I'll be reading with Nelson. Okay, Nelson, you got this, boy, and you viewers, shall we read?
Then let's read!
When you're in trouble and you need help, the Super Martian Robot Girl! Super Martian Robot Girl! Yeah! On a summer's day near the ocean, everything seemed fine until...
Oh, what a great day! Oh, hello there, Dolphin! Friend of the sea!
Squeak, 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 squeak!
Ah, my ears! That was a horrible sound! I need Super Martian Robot Girl! Help!
Here I am to help! What happened? Squeak, 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 squeak!
Ah, my ears!
Help! There's this dolphin, and he was like totally making this loud, weird sound, and it totally hurt my ears!
Yes, and I didn't like it either.
A dolphin? Squeak, squeak, squeak!
Ah, my ears!
A dolphin! That's just the sound she makes when she sings!
Oh, she's singing?
Yes, that's right! Oh my gosh, I'd like to totally start a band!
Alright!
Squeak, 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 squeak,
My
squeak,
work
squeak,
here is
squeak,
done.
squeak,
Goodbye,
squeak,
everyone.
squeak, squeak,
And so
squeak.
the day is safe thanks to Super Martian Robot Girl.
Super Martian Robot Girl! Yeah!
You were right, Fufa. That was a great story. Thanks for listening. I love the Super Martian Robot Girl Dolphin just like Dance Party from Dance.
You're right, Nelson. It's just like Dance Party from Dance. Subscribe, viewers.